Hello friends, Tendi here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are at the Dollar Tree, y'all, and I am going to show you some of the cleaning products I like and use as a professional cleaner. I would say number 3 is my new best, and this product sells out so quickly. So if you find it, grab a couple, okay? I will also throw in a bonus of a product that I would not buy at the Dollar Tree, so stay tuned to find out. Let's get right into it. Come along with me. Number 1, window clean. This has been my best for years and still is. It's a staple in my house. I use it a lot, so I'm taking a bunch home today, y'all. I have used it when I had my cleaning business and it worked very great. And the good thing about this product is it's non-toxic, streak-free, it cleans and polishes very well. I also use it a lot when cleaning the exterior of toilets, cleaning mirrors, when I polish chrome. The list goes on and on. Now you see why I like it, right? Number 2, Dawn dish soap. This is my happy place, y'all. There's a variety here, but my best is Blue Dawn together with cleaning or just regular vinegar, which I normally get from Walmart. These two are cousins. You can mix them together and use to clean and remove mild hard water deposits on your shower doors. You can also use it to clean chrome. You can clean your bathroom sinks and bathtub as well. The mixture will also remove soap scum in your shower or tub. Pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff. Moving on to number 3 is the multi-purpose cleaning paste. This is my new favorite, y'all, and that's what I was talking about. You can literally clean almost everything in your house with this product, from the kitchen to the bathrooms or even outdoors. One thing to note is this multi-purpose cleaning paste is a pink stuff dupe, and if you like it and you find it out there, buy a couple because it flies off the shelves very quickly. I have used this paste to clean grout, ceramic sink, bathtub. Check out the series I did for more information and other ways of using the product. Number 4 is this Brillo Basics Steel Wool Soap Pads. It comes with 8 ready-to-use soap pads in this pack. It's great for cleaning greasy areas and cuts through grime. You can use this product to clean ovens, oven racks, barbecue grills, pots and pans, and a whole lot more. Let's talk about number 5, which is this oven cleaner. You can skip this one and don't even feel bad about it. It has really strong overpowering fumes. That's one thing that I don't like about this product right here. I bought it once and won't be buying it again. If you have used it before, let me know your experience in the comments below. Now let's talk about some good stuff. Number 6 is this brush right here. If you see it, go ahead and put it in the cart, okay? I like that it has strong, durable bristles. I normally use it to clean the rubber guard and the walls of the garbage disposal of my sink before I run it with garbage disposal cleaner. I like that it has this other small area with bristles that can be used to clean hard to reach areas. So you get a lot for just $1.25. This brush is an amazing deal, y'all. Let me know in the comments if you have used any of these products. Is it a yes or a nay for you? Like, share, and subscribe for more cleaning tips and hacks. Until next time, take care of you, my friend, because you're special. Yes, you are. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.